If you are looking to prevent hair thinning, hair loss, and have lots of hair growth, this video is for you. Thank you so much for receiving. But before that, grab a glass of water. If you feel like, you can pause this video. Grab a glass of water and let the healing be received on this water. You can consume this water for the best results. Let's start. While receiving this healing, you can touch your hair. You can keep your hand on top of your hair or just simply sit and receive this healing. Of course, you can lie down and receive this healing too. Remove all the thoughts, will this work, this will work or not, and just have faith and believe and let this work. Your hair needs lots of love. Your hair needs lots of care. Your hair needs lots of attention like a small child. So visualize your hair like somebody whom you love the most in this whole world. Your hair is like that small child which needs your love, which needs your attention. So let's start giving our hair that love, that attention. Even if it is water, the food, medicines, health checkup, right diet, sleep on time, whatever it is that your hair needs, let's work on it. I'm sending Reiki through this beautiful pink rose quartz, love quartz, whatever you call it, and sending this healing for your hair. Simply receive and have strong faith and belief. Nothing in the world works if you believe in it. So once you start believing in this, once you start working on your hair, looking after your hair, eating the right nutrition, having a good sleep, drinking tons of water, your hair will show up. Your hair will be answering to your love. Your hair will show up and will tell you that, okay, I love you as much as you love me. And thank you so much. Thank you so much for looking after me. Simply receive this healing with faith and belief, and you can receive this healing as many times in a day, minimum 2 times and maximum as many times as you feel like. While receiving this healing, keep a water bottle or a glass of water and let this healing get into this water, and you can consume this water throughout the day. It works on your molecule level. When you charge the water, water is the best manifestation method ever. And when you combine Reiki healing, crystal healing with water, it works wonderful. When you are receiving this healing, you need to have some faith. Not a lot, a little bit of faith. And when you touch your hair, when you see some hair falling out, just give that love to the hair. And imagine maybe the time has come for those hair to go so that the new hair can come. Isn't that beautiful way of thinking? Whatever the hair is falling, whatever is the hair condition, just give love. This is all it needs. Of course, with the right nutrition, with the right love, everything grows. When a plant is being seeded, when there is a seed, it needs that love, that water, that affection. Same is with our hair. Same is with our body. Same is with our life. It's a art. Everything is art. When you are applying their hair oil, give love. When you are doing that hair mask, give little bit of more love. When you are touching your hair, give tons of love. And keep saying to yourself, I love my hair. I love you so much. When you are talking to your hair is listening. Your body is listening to you 24/7. So give tons of love to your hair, to your body, to yourself. I love and accept myself. 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 Let me know how do you feel? How do you feel while receiving this healing? You can always suggest any hair related or any other Reiki related video and I will be making them for you. If you feel like you can join the hair growth group, I'll share the link in the comments and in the description. Every day and every way, my hair is getting better and better. Every day, in every way, my hair is getting better and better. Every day, in every way, my hair is getting better and better. Every day, in every way, my hair is getting better and better. Every day, in every way, my hair is getting better and better. Every day, in every way, my hair is getting better and better. Every day, in every way, my hair is getting better and better. Every day, in every way, my hair is getting better and better. Instead of complaining, let's start affirming. Every day, in every way, my hair is getting better and better. Every day, in every way, my hair is getting better and better. Every day, in every way, my hair is getting better and better. Every day, in every way, my hair is getting better and better. Every day, in every way, my hair is getting better and better. Every day, in every way, my hair is getting better and better. You can touch your hair, feel your hair, love your hair a little bit more. Every day, in every way, my hair is getting better and better. I'm receiving tons of compliments for my hair from everyone. I love this affirmation. I'm receiving tons and tons of compliments from everyone for my hair. I'm receiving tons of compliment for my hair from everyone. I'm receiving lots and lots of compliment. Start complimenting yourself. That is where it starts. Start seeing it yourself. Start believing it in yourself. And if you feel like there is a whole playlist for Reiki hair growth, you can play that daily and receive this beautiful, wonderful, miraculous energy healing. Before you ask me, will it work? Yes, it will. If you give your dedication, if you start loving yourself more, if you start accepting your hair more, it will work for you. Just give yourself that time. Have some faith. Have that patience. Even for a child, it takes 9 months to come. This is your hair. And you have started looking after your hair from now. So congratulations and give your hair that love. Give your hair that appreciation. Give your body that love and appreciation it deserves. This body is with you since the time you are born and it hasn't left you. It's okay if you didn't get time to look after your hair. It's totally fine. We are all human beings. We need to give ourselves that grace and that love. It's totally fine. Totally fine. Every day, in every way, my hair is getting better and better. I love and accept myself. I am receiving tons of compliments from everyone. Thank you so much for receiving this healing. You can play this Reiki video in loop and keep receiving this healing daily. You can also play the whole playlist and keep receiving this Reiki. Also, if you feel like, join other like-minded souls in the group and we can all work on our hair together. Whatever is your intention for your hair growth, whatever is your intention to grow your hair, let's work together. Thank you so much for receiving. Thank you.